to start the concept and component of investment. So let's begin. What is the meaning of investment? So before starting the concept of investment, before you are thinking the investment, as you all know, what is the definition, general way of layman, what is the meaning of investment. But today we are going to be discuss this concept because in the macroeconomics it is very important. In the chapter of national income, so you must know about the meaning of investment and what are the components of it. Generally, as you know that before starting a business, any type of business, there is a need to be invest one thing, that is called capital, amount of money. Capital, it is a very important factor of production. As you know, there are so many factors of production here, like man, machine, capital, land, है ना, land, labor, capital and the entrepreneur. So every producer need to be invest capital before starting the business. There is need to be maintain the certain level of a stock. Now here the term, what is stock? The stock in the form of goods, stock in the form of inventory, stock in the form of capital. Here we are talking about investment. So every producer, every manufacturer need to maintain certain level of stock of capital which help to produce the goods and services. So here capital stock helps to produce goods and services. So here it is very important because capital stock help to increase the capacity of the production, capacity of the producer. Larger stock of capital, there will be greater amount of goods and services produced. So the size and nature of manufacturing good depend upon capital. Size of a company, size of industry depend upon capital. Small industries, small companies required less amount of capital. Mid industries, medium term industries required medium amount of capital investment. There certain level, there is a criteria, certain criteria. So here producer always try to increase their capital stock. So capacity of a production increase only when there is increasing change in stock of capital. So what is the meaning of investment? Increase in the stock of capital. Now during the year, It's called investment during a year. So in economics, here we can express mathematically I denotes investment equals to change in K. Change in means change in K means change in capital. Change in capital stock, and K equals to stock. We can also call change in capital stock. It is also called capital formation. Change in capital या stock of capital. Change in stock of capital is also called capital formation. आप बना रहे हैं, पैसा बढ़ा रहे हैं. कोई भी प्रोड्यूसर अपना पैसा बढ़ाने के लिए ही काम करता है. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल इन अ जनरल वे. Parents make an investment on you. Why they are giving you better facility? Why they are give you better education? Because it is a kind of investment. In the future, when you will get the better job, then you will get the better salary, amount of salary which make your future bright. That is also called an investment. Investment, if a person invest his idle money on the land for the purpose of earning money in the future, because the main aim to increase the stock of capital in the future, because land is the thing, the value of the land always increase, appreciate. Consumer, as you know that the consumer is always rational. He take the decision always to get the benefit, maximum benefit of it. So nobody wants to bear the loss. Everybody wants to get maximum benefit, maximum to earn rupee. Okay, so here change in stock of capital is also called capital formation, so that the term investment and the capital formation can be used interchangeably. Yeah, we can say the term investment and capital formation are used interchangeably. Okay, so investment is the process. You can also say investment is the process of capital formation. Okay, so this is the meaning of investment. Now there are two components of it. Components कौन कौन से होंगे? पहला कंपोनेंट है फिक्स्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट और दूसरा है आपका इन्वेंट्री इन्वेस्टमेंट. एज यू ऑल नो, प्रोड्यूसर नीड फिक्स्ड एसेट्स, plant machinery like. On the basis of plant and machinery, he can able to produce the goods and services. If you not invest the money on plant and machinery, then you cannot be able to produce the goods. Okay, certain level you have to require machines, tools. With the help of labor, you can able to produce the goods. So fixed investment means refers to increase in the stock of fixed asset. Increase in the stock of fixed asset of the producer during a year. Okay, and every producer make a expenditure on the if a producer decided to purchase fixed asset during an accounting year. Let's take an example. If you are going to start your business with the 5 machine, at the end of the year you have 7 machine, then there is an increase in the stock of fixed asset. Okay, so it is the meaning of fixed asset. So fixed assets you can say which are remain in a business for a long period of time. Business can be used again and again and get a profit on it, and to produce the various goods, and it helps to increase the production capacity. So but logically, producer have to take a intelligent decision before investing the money on the fixed asset. He never invest whole of the capital on the purchase of fixed assets. He have to be maintain certain level of inventory investment we are talking about. So let's before starting the inventory investment, we have to be explain the formula. What is the formula of fixed investment? So fixed investment, what's the formula of fixed investment here? FI, इट्स कॉल्ड फिक्स इन्वेस्टमेंट. फिक्स इन्वेस्टमेंट मीन्स यहाँ पर क्लोजिंग आपका जो भी रहा है और ओपनिंग जो भी है, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ फिक्स एसेट माइनस ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ फिक्स एसेट, यू कैन गेट दी increase in stock of fixed asset. Okay, so here stock of fixed asset at the end of accounting year minus stock of fixed asset at the beginning of an accounting year, you can get increase in stock of fixed asset. Okay, so you can also set increase in stock of fixed asset. We can also set fixed capital formation. Okay, it is also known as changing stock of fixed asset. Okay, is also known as fixed capital formation. Understood? Oh, बहुत सिंपल है. Now, what is the significance of fixed investment? Here the question is arise, what is the significance of fixed investment? Importance क्या होगी आपके लिए? आप जैसे कि जानते ही हैं कि अगर आप इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करेंगे फिक्स एसेट में, देन यू कैन नॉट बी एबल टू प्रोड्यूस द गुड्स. ओके, सो इट हेल्प्स टू increase the production capacity of the producer. Production capacity of a producer. Okay, second one, it leads to higher stock of fixed asset, leads to greater amount of output in the economy. Third one, with the greater amount of output in the economy helps to ultimately increase in GDP level. That is called GDP growth, economic growth. Okay, higher level of output leads to higher economic growth and GDP. Apart from the investment on fixed asset, there is a need to be invest in the inventory. Now come to the second one, inventory investment. ओके, अभी तक मैंने आपको क्या बताया, फिक्स इन्वेस्टमेंट बताया, अब आपको इन्वेंट्री इन्वेस्टमेंट बता रहे हैं, स्टॉक इन्वेस्टमेंट जिसको हम बोलते हैं। इन्वेंट्री इन द फॉर्म ऑफ जनरली 3 RM, WIP वर्क इन प्रोसेस वी कैन से, और फिनिश गुड। जैसे हम आपको एग्जांपल बता दें, जैसे गेहूं हमने लिया, वीट हमने लिया, तो वीट इज दी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रॉ, that is called raw material. When we are going to grading it convert into the working process, we have work on it. Okay, it comes under the second category, converting the raw material into the WIP. Now after when the wheat convert into the flour, then the bakery will use the flour and to make a biscuit, that is called finished, final consumer, final कंजम्पशन आइटम, वी कैन यूज दिस टर्म। ओके, हमने पहले भी पढ़ा था, तो वो क्या हुआ हमारे लिए, फाइनल कंज्यूमर। सो हियर कंजम्पशन आइटम हुआ। सो हियर प्रोड्यूसर हैव टू मेक अ इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन द इन्वेंट्री, have to make we can also said in the other words current assets, have to maintain the certain level of current asset। जैसे यहाँ पर हमने फिक्स एसेट की बात करी, यहाँ पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, करंट एसेट्स की बात कर रहे हैं, करंट एसेट ही हुआ। तो आपको ये मेंटेन करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, क्योंकि मशीन अपना आप काम नहीं कर सकती, दे नीड रॉ मटीरियल, दे मशीन्स रिक्वायर्ड फ्यूल, मशीन रिक्वायर्ड पावर, एंड वी हैव टू हैव current assets, or you can say working capital, that is also called working capital, which is used to meet out the day-to-day expenses of the business. If we not having adequate amount of working capital, then we cannot be able to smooth flow of working functioning in the inside the organization. So at the point of time producer hold the stock of finished good, now there is a need to be maintain the inventory. So increase in stock of inventory, it is called inventory investment. Okay, change in stock of inventory inventory stock during a year, it's called inventory investment. Change in inventory stock during a year, it's called inventory investment. Okay, and the formula is same, closing inventory stock minus opening inventory stock, we get change in inventory stock, change in inventory stock.